Computer science is the study of computers and computational systems, including their design, development, and application. It encompasses a wide range of topics related to computing, algorithms, data structures, programming languages, software engineering, and more. Computer science focuses on both theoretical and practical aspects of computing and plays a crucial role in various industries and disciplines. Here are some different fields and subjects within computer science. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI involves the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, learning, and decision making. Machine learning. Machine learning focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data, without being explicitly programmed. Data science. Data science involves the extraction, analysis, and interpretation of large and complex datasets to gain insights and support decision making. It combines elements of statistics, machine learning, and data visualization. Computer vision. Computer vision deals with the extraction, analysis, and understanding of information from digital images or videos. It includes tasks such as object recognition, image classification, and image segmentation. Robotics. Robotics involves the design, construction, and programming of robots and autonomous systems. It encompasses areas such as robot perception, motion planning, and control systems. Software engineering. Software engineering focuses on the systematic development, maintenance, and testing of software systems. It includes practices and principles for managing the software development lifecycle and ensuring software quality. Computer networks. Computer networks involve the study of communication systems and protocols that enable computers to share resources and information. It includes topics such as network architecture, routing, and network security. Databases. Databases deal with the design, organization, and management of large volumes of data. It includes topics such as data modeling, database systems, and query languages like SQL. Human-computer interaction, HCI. HCI explores the design and interaction between humans and computers. It focuses on creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces and studying how users interact with technology. Cryptography and security. Cryptography involves techniques for secure communication and data protection. It includes encryption algorithms, digital signatures, and security protocols to ensure confidentiality and integrity of information. These are just a few examples of the diverse fields and subjects within computer science. The discipline continues to evolve and expand as technology advances and new challenges arise.